At the very top of Palm Tree Residences, above 36 floors of city below you, there's a different way of living. And I want to walk you through exactly what that looks like. In this video, we're going over the penthouse collection at Palm Tree Residences, Miami. The floor plans, the finishes, the building amenities that come with the address, and what the actual day-to-day lifestyle looks like for someone who owns at the top of this tower. I'm Jaime Cristancho, your in-house sales executive at Palm Tree Residences. The penthouse conversation is different from every other unit in this building because you're not just buying square footage at the top, you're buying the fullest possible version of everything this tower and this brand were built to deliver. Let's get into it. Let's start on where these residences actually sit in the building. Palm Tree Residences is a 37-story. Levels 2 through 8 are parking. Level 9 is dedicated entirely to wellness, fitness, golf simulator, paddle, juice bar, and a spa. Residences begin on level 10 and all the way to level 36. The top tier 3-bedroom penthouse collection sits on the upper band of the building with additional ceiling height for panoramic views. That positioning matters for 2 reasons. First, the views. At that height, you're looking out over downtown Miami and the Bay, with private balconies on every residence designed to capture that skyline and those sunsets. Second, proximity. The top floor residences sit directly beneath the level 37, the Palm Tree Beach Club, which functions almost like a private rooftop extension of your own home. Now, let's talk about the floor plan itself. The layout at this tier is built different than the units below it. The 3-bedroom plus 10 3-bath residence in this collection run thoroughly 1,700 square feet of interior living space with a 1,500 square foot of private balcony space, creating an indoor-outdoor feel. The layout is open concept. Kitchen, living, and dining flow into one continuous space that opens into the balcony rather than being broken into separate enclosed rooms. Every bedroom is positioned to maximize window exposure to the skyline rather than facing inward. And in the residences with a den configuration, you get a fully flexible floor space outfitted with custom built-out Murphy beds so that the den functions as a home office most of the year and guest suite whenever you need it. That flexibility matters most at this tier because buyers at the top of this building are frequently using these units seasonally, which means the floor plan needs to work for entertaining, for hosting, and for living all in the same footprint. The furnishings throughout are the same elevated package throughout the penthouse collection. The kitchens are custom Italcraft cabinetry from Italy, fully integrated with Miele appliances, custom countertops and backsplashes, and contemporary under-the-mount sinks. The bathrooms are spa-inspired with waterworks features, custom countertops, and fully finished floors and walls in every wet area. Closets come fully built out with shelvings and drawers pre-installed. There's a built-in washer and dryer inside every residence, and the entire unit is delivered fully finished, designed by an award-winning interior designer firm, Meyer Davis. Before I keep going, if you're seriously considering purchasing a unit here at Palm Tree Club, reach out to me using the contact details below. Now, let's talk about what the building gets you access to. Level 37, directly above the top residential floors, is the Palm Tree Beach Club, a resort-style pool with panoramic views of the downtown Miami skyline and a Palm Tree Club bar and lounge with a lush garden-style terrace. A private members lounge. This isn't a shared community pool deck. It's branded, programmed, and operated as an extension of the Palm Tree Club ecosystem, meaning the same curated music and hospitality experience that defines the brand globally is built directly into our rooftop. One floor below the residences, level 9 gives you a state-of-the-art fitness center with techno gym equipment, free weights, and functional programming turf, and a climbing wall, plus a dedicated moving studio for yoga and Pilates, a full wellness center with steam rooms, sauna, cold plunge, and private treatment rooms, an outdoor paddle court, a golf simulator, and a juice bar. And at ground level, directly downstairs, is a signature Palm Tree Club venue itself, a full culinary and nightlife concept with music programming curated by major industry names, where residents have access without needing to leave the building. And then there's the part of ownership that does not show up on a floor plan at all, the Palm Tree Crew lifestyle that comes with the address. As an owner, you get a dedicated concierge tailored to the Palm Tree Crew ecosystem, not just building services. You get priority access access to palm tree festivals around the world like West Palm Beach, Aspen, the Hamptons, Saint-Tropez, Singapore, Napa Valley, or Australia with preferred ticketing and table opportunities. You get the expedited entry of Palm Tree Club venues globally, weekday dining privileges at Palm Tree Club Miami, and access to members-only tables, lounges, and premium view index at the brand's events. The same ecosystem that puts Palm Tree Crew at the center of cultural moments like F1 Miami, Art Basel, the Super Bowl, and St. Bart's for New Year's Eve becomes something you have ongoing access to simply by owning here. So what does the lifestyle actually look like day to day for somebody that lives in this tier? It looks like working from your den in the morning with the Miami skyline behind you, taking the elevator up one floor to the beach club for a swim before lunch, having dinner at the ground floor Palm Tree Club venue without even needing a car or a reservation request, and knowing that when the actual Palm Tree Music Festival happens in Aspen or the Hamptons, you have priority access. It looks like short-term rental income on the weekends you're not in Miami, in a building specially positioned in the live entertainment heart of downtown Miami, steps from World Center, the Brightland Station, and 11 Towers. And it looks like owning into a brand that's already proven its cultural relevance. The honest take, this is the smallest unit count in the building and the highest price point, which means the best of the residences will move fast. If the top tier of this tower is on your radar, the floor plan and finish level conversation is one worth having directly, because availability at this level narrows down quickly once a project this culturally ambitious gains momentum. And again, if you'd like to inquire about purchasing a unit here at Palm Tree Club Residences, contact me using the details below.